For activity 2A, we'll start by opening a file within the Publisher Civil 3D Essentials folder. We're going to navigate to the working folder. And then within the working folder, we're going to select the survey folder and we'll open SUVA. So with SUVA, we have several points there. We're going to use the point creation tools to add points. So from the Home tab, we're going to go to the Create Round Data group. And within that group of tools, we're going to expand the points options, and we're going to select the point creation tools. In our point identity area within our create point options, we're going to make sure we set the next point number to 260. We already have some points in this drawing. We're going to start adding our points with the number 260. All right, with that added, we'll click the up arrows to collapse that. You see the arrows here. We can expand and collapse them by clicking on those arrows at the right of the toolbar. And then we're going to, at the left, go to the point icon with the drop down, and we're going to select to manually create a point. So we're going to click on the word manual. And then we're going to look at the command prompt, and we'll see that we're prompted to specify a location for our point. We're going to enter coordinates, and it's important that you take your time with this because the coordinate locations, because we're working with a known region and there are already existing entities on the drawing, it's important that we be accurate. So for our coordinates, we're going to enter 625, 60, 69.30. We'll have a comma, and then we'll enter our next coordinate, 2036634.25. Take a moment, double check that you've entered them correctly. Once you've confirmed that, we're going to hit enter. Now, the next piece of information I'm prompted for at my command prompt is to enter a description. I'm going to enter the abbreviation HYD for hydrant. That's the abbreviation for hydrant. I'll hit enter. And then I'm prompted to provide a point elevation. I'm not going to provide an elevation at this time because it's unknown, and so I'll simply hit enter to leave that blank. And then I'll hit enter again to exit that command. All right, I'll hit escape to close out the command, so I'm not entering another point. Okay, so I created my first point, and now we're going to zoom to that point in our transparent toolbar. Click on the transparent toolbar. We have the option to zoom into specific points. We can zoom into point stations. We're going to click on Zoom to Point in the center of our transparent toolbar. And if you look at the command prompt, we're prompted to provide the point ID, which is 260. We'll hit enter. So we entered 260, and we zoomed in on our hydrant. So this is point 260 that we just entered. It is a hydrant, and of course it has that description HYD associated with it. So at this point I'm going to save my drawing.